Hi, and thank you so much for investing in the real estate loophole. You're about to discover an entire new opportunity to stop renting, create a side gig, and really control your finances, have your mortgage paid for every month, and enjoy those beautiful, nice tax write-offs. And while I think the book is very comprehensive and the resources in the resources area, I wanted to go a step further and even share with you in a workshop a little bit more depth, a little bit more detail, and actually give you the opportunity to speak with me one-on-one. So I encourage you to sign up for the Real Estate Loophole Workshop. And in this workshop, you're going to learn mistakes to avoid when purchasing a home. You're going to learn about credit. You're going to learn about products and programs and which ones may be best for you. Reading is awesome. And everything you will learn in the Real Estate Loophole will help you. The workshop just takes it to another level, and sometimes seeing it adds a whole nother level of comprehension. There are some topics that I cover because you can only cover so much in a book. There are topics that I cover in a little bit more detail in the workshop. You're going to get a copy of the workshop notebook so you can take notes. You're going to get the ability with a link to schedule a one-on-one consultation, and you're going to have an opportunity at the very end to get a $500 certificate off of your closing costs. So you're going to get back 5 times your investment in this workshop. So go ahead, join us, and I'll see you on the inside.